I've traced a rectangle on my paper, and now I'm dropping rock shapes and tracing them. You can trace real rocks or cut out shapes from heavy paper. If you like the quotes on my rock shape, you might be interested in joining my Mindful Drawing membership, where I give you new lessons each month that have videos and printable instructions that include shapes with quotes that you can cut out. And it includes much more, so I'll put a link to learn more in the description. Next, I smooth out the corners with a very fine tipped marker. If you have any blips outside the frame, you can cover them with a white gel pen. I'm filling the rock design with a rainbow pattern, which is one of my favorite patterns. It's easy to learn, and it looks great when repeated throughout a design. Just start with a very narrow arc and continue repeating the arc until it fills up the space. If the top of the arc hits the other side, just fill in the right and the left sides with partial rainbows. You'll find it's easier to turn your page as you work, so you can use the natural arc your wrist makes as you draw.